Draw with me, Timz. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we will be drawing Timz. Timz is a gifted singer and has a great voice. Man, she could sing. But let's take our art to new levels and start the video. Drawing with color is very challenging, but it's also exciting. I'm still learning to get out my comfort zone when it comes to drawing with color. That's the only way that you could grow. Yes, it's an uncomfortable feeling, but that feeling is also necessary for you to reach new levels. You definitely want to take your time blending and mixing those beautiful browns together. It's that you don't rush this step. Yeah, you guys already know I love to draw the eyes first. Timz has some really beautiful iconic eyes. Honestly, I still don't know how this is gonna turn out because I'm not accustomed using with color, but wish me all the best. I remember the first time when I tried using color in Procreate, but it didn't really turn out good at all. It was bad. I would try to blend those colors together and it didn't turn out very well. Like when you try to blend the colors, it would appear darker or a muddy color. And you know, just playing with colors and putting them together and knowing how to manipulate the colors in order to bring that image to life, another learning process versus black and white. You know, black and white, it's a little more easier. You know, you just have to face your challenge and you just have to learn from your mistakes and just, you know, continue to push and grow. So some tips that really helped me, your color palettes. So your color palettes is also very important, and making sure that your color palettes and your colors work well together and it makes sense together. You should work also in steps and you shouldn't rush that process. So you should have like a light color and then you should go a little darker and a little darker. Don't try to like jump the shades. Make sure if you're going a little darker, it still looks good, as in like blending wise. If you jump it too much, it's gonna be very harsh. I think that's like also a great tip. So using color can be challenges at first, but yes, it's also very rewarding. We want to make sure and see Tim's melanin pop. You know, our goal here is to be better than we did the last time. And you know, I just want to add that value and show you guys like, hey, if I could do this, you could do this too. My biggest fear when it comes to using color, yes, blending and blending them together and making sure it's blended well. I would advise you to blend colors before you start drawing. I believe that yes, you could do it, and yes, you can also reach new levels. In this video, I encourage you to step out your fears and your comfort zone and to try something new. Don't be afraid to take risks. You should also experiment. Another tip, when you're drawing skin especially, remember that underneath your skin has blood. So naturally your skin will have a reddish undertone. So remember to use red in your color palette. So mix your color with just a little bit of red in it. That would help to make your drawings a little more realistic. Pay attention to exactly where the redness appears the most on your subject's face and slowly manifest it into your work. The highlights we're using today is a more yellow color, and the shadows that we're using is a more reddish brown. So if you want your art to have more life, then practice this skill. Practice to, especially when you're using faces and color, to use more red with the browns, and make sure you pay attention to where the red is on your subject's face. You should also try to study the work of other artists. Look at different techniques and styles that they use, and also try to make it your own. This will help you to broaden your artistic skills and to develop and broaden your minds to new ideas. So that's the end of Draw With Me Tim's video. I hope you guys really love this video. I hope you guys really see that like went out of my comfort zone and I tried something new. I hope you guys really like it because I love how Timz turned out. You know, I made sure her melanin pop, even though I'm still learning, and yes, I could still improve. I just love it overall. Continue to draw and believe in yourself so you could reach new levels. See you guys in the next video.